Am I the asshole for canceling a girl's appointment the day of her baby shower? I'm F17, a part-time braider, and I take my job very seriously because this is how I make money and this is what I want to do as a career. I work from 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. on weekdays and 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. on weekends. School is my first priority, and on weekends enjoying my weekend is important too. I have my policy on my booking link, so before you even book an appointment you have to read my policy. A couple policies I have are no show equals no further appointments, 30-minute grace period, after that your appointment will be cancelled, no extra people, etc. etc. Most of my clients respect my rules and always come through. This girl Tiffany booked an appointment with me for June 4th at 3 p.m. She was getting a wig installed, no braid down, just application. So I had another client right after her for braids. If you wear braids or do braids, you know braids can take hours. Braids already take hours, plus she booked a takedown and shampoo, so that's extra time. It came time for Tiffany's appointment, so I was setting everything up for her and 3 p.m. came and she wasn't here. I have a 30-minute grace period, so I wasn't worried. After 15 minutes I texted her and asked was she still coming, and never received a text back. It was going on 3:45, so I just took it as a no-show and put all my stuff away and started getting the stuff ready for my next client. I texted Tiffany and told her appointment was cancelled, but she could come pick up her wig. It was customized and everything for free. All she needed was someone else to install it for her. I never received a text back. My next client came around 4:30 and I started working on her head. Maybe around 5:30ish my mom called me and told me I had a client at the door. I work out of my house, and to come see what she was getting it because she was cutting up outside. I stopped in the middle of my client's hair to go see who it was, and it was Tiffany. She was trying to cuss me out, saying I ruined her baby shower and why was her appointment cancelled. So I explained to her my policy and that she wasn't just 30 minutes late or even an hour, she was 2 hours late and I couldn't do her hair anymore. I gave her wig and sent her on her way. She started talking about me on social media and everybody in the comments are dragging me, saying I'm unprofessional and not to book with me when I've been nothing but professional. If you can't respect me and my rules, you just won't get your hair done by me. It's plenty other hairstylists where we stay. My mom said I'm not wrong, but I'm getting a lot of messages and she's getting a lot of comments on her post talking about how unprofessional I'm being when I did nothing but respect her and her time. I've even had a client cancel an appointment after seeing her post. I'm losing money and clients over this petty mess, and I know I'm not wrong.